At all times, these two flows of consciousness are running through an individual, creating a sensation known as atu, or intention, that is aware of itself. Atu. It should also be noted that Atu is also the name of the original singularity. Both Ako and Uche are the same sensation coming from two different directions, and both Ako and Uche have their own unique natures, which I'll explain shortly. But collectively, both of these impulses are known as Ose. Ose is an unmanifest intention or parcel of sentience that flows through the universe. Ose travels from one part of the universe to another, from person to person, from Chukwu to person, and then from Ne Chukwu into person as well, by way of a cosmic highway or riverway of strings known as Ete. According to Igbo cosmology, all people are expressions of a single Ete or string of creation. And these unseen strings interweave and connect with all of creation, forming a tapestry or a cloth known as Ogodokomosu, another name for the manifest and unmanifest universe.